gonna pick some gooseberries. These happen to be called Hinamaki red. So I picked these a few times. I think I got some video on it already. But they're ready now. Not all of them are ready, actually. They're pretty good. Not much of that tartness normally associated with gooseberries. Almost close to none. So I'm looking at these berries, and if there's a little bit of white, I'll pick one. I'm leaving it on other than this demonstration here. You can see, get a focus here. Okay, see that's got some white on it yet. The other side is all, you know, reddish. You come over here, got some white. Normally those have a little bit of tartness. Still not bad. Look at those big ones. Ooh, I like them to fall off. You know they're right then. Let's get a close up of this one. I like this batch. Yeah, can you get that here? Yeah, right here. This is a couple of them here. No, it's up here. This is the one I want. Right there. That's a nice batch right there. Big ones too. Another one fell off. That's good. Ooh, this is a monster. Look at how big this one is here. Look at that one. That's huge. Well, it's not the size of an apple or anything, but it's huge for a gooseberry. Oh, that's sweet. That one, that berry's sweet. Yeah, that's a surprise. Yeah. That one's sweet too. We gotta go on the inside of this fence. Need these ones in the shade. They're not as many of them are ripe. You know, the positive about that is you have a long season of picking. I guess the negative is if you want to put some up for storage, you gotta save them. People are just stupid, letting them do that to you. You look back at the Nuremberg trials, and there was a segment called the Doctor's Trials, and basically what came out of that is they ruled that these Nazi doctors were guilty of not performing informed consent. You know, experimenting on these people without their knowledge or consent, what they're putting in them. So now we're doing the same thing again. Some of those Nazi doctors were hung by the neck. Yeah, am I suggesting we hang some of the doctors in USA by the neck? Well, I don't know. We should have some trials. Find out. See what happens. I'm only one person. There's nothing that anybody's going to listen to me. Start to have a trial on this stuff. Get the facts of the matter out into the public of their experiments. And there's plenty of information out there now you can find. You gotta look for it because everybody's trying to hide it. A lot of people making a lot of money off of that stuff. They don't want you to know. They don't want to stop. You know, it's like the drunk. You know, he didn't start by drinking a lot, he started by drinking one or two. And it got out of hand. It's the same thing what's happened here. Maybe there is such a thing as good vaccinations, but now they're really overdoing it. Back to vaccinating yourself on gooseberries. I think that's the healthy way to go right there. I'm sitting right amongst this bush now. I'm getting poked in my legs, getting poked in my arms. That's all good stuff. These are really good ones. Okay. This is one bush. This is the third time I picked it now. But this is this particular picking is probably more than the other two combined. Pretty close. There it is. Let's get a down shot. Look at that. That is a nice bowl of gooseberries right there. And I got a whole bunch more to pick. Okay, thanks for watching.